Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your notification settings in the iPhone in iOS. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the settings icon. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on the settings icon, simply we have to scroll down. And after scrolling down, you will be able to see the notifications here. So we have to click on the notifications. So you will be able to see all the notification settings here, like the list, stack, count. You have to choose the notification type, display is. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. Now schedule summary, if you want to open this one, you can also do that. You have to enable this. We have to go to the back again and show previews. If you want to make it, if you want to show the previews, you can also do that, like always, when, unlocked, and never. It's up to you. I'm going to click on this back again, and screen sharing, if you want the allow notifications, you can also do that. It's up to you. So these all settings are provided here. If you want to open or enable the Siri suggestions, you can also do that, allow notification. I'm going to back. So in this way you can manage your all the notification settings in the iPhone. So see you in the next video.